Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fold a napkin for a fancy dinner. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 3 methods for folding a napkin just like this one, and these are methods that you can use to fold a napkin to make it look awesome for a fancy dinner. Now I'm talking about a straightforward napkin like this. You know, there's other variations of napkins, you know, some are cloth napkins and stuff. This is just a regular napkin, okay? Just a plain and simple, like a disposable napkin, okay? So these are the 3 methods. The first one is basically the easiest, the second one is a little bit harder, and the third one is a little bit harder, but they're not like the third one is going to be the hardest. So you have the method number 1, the first one is going to be the easiest. Method number 2, the middle one, the second one is going to be a little bit harder, and method number 3, the third one, the last one is going to be the hardest, but they're actually not that hard. All of them are actually very easy to do for the most part. They're all doable, they're all manageable. So let's get into this. Method number 1, the first one is very simple. You're going to take the napkin, you're going to rotate it so that you have the corners sort of at the bottom and the top, and you're going to take the bottom corner and you're going to bring it up, and you just want it to go slightly beside the top corner at roughly the same height, just like that, okay? Get it the same height, give the napkin a crease, just like that. And it's a very, very simple design. It's just like it's purposely off. You don't want them to line up. You want it to be purposely off. You can even go a little bit more off than this. You can separate the tips a little bit more than this, but that's it. That's the first one. Super easy, super fast. If you're doing this for like 100 people, that's probably the one you're going to use because it's so fast, okay? All right. Whoop. The camera almost fell, but we're good. It's all good. Let me just give it a little bit more stability. There we go. Okay. Anyways, we're moving on to the second method. So I'm going to unfold it. Now for the second method, it's very similar, but we're going to look at it where the edges are on the bottom, on the top. We're going to take the bottom edge, we're going to fold it up to about the halfway point, give or take. Okay, just like that. Okay, make a little rectangle over here. Then we're going to take this corner over here on the rectangular folded side. We're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it up. And once again, we're going to make a dual tip at the top here, just like that. But line them up, give or take, purposely apart, and then give it a nice crease. That is method number 2. Very, very simple. Looks a little bit more stylistic. Just next level. Both sides look really, really good. It's up to you which side you want to show. This side, as you can see, has that fold on it. This side does not have the fold on it, but either way, I would rather show the side with the fold. It looks a little bit more designed, but yeah, very, very simple. And like I said, the peaks are separated. Okay, very, very simple. All right, now I'm going to unfold and we're going to move on to the third method. For the third method, you got to find the corner that has all of the separate layers. So this corner right here has all of the separate layers, as you can see. Perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the corner with the separated layers at the bottom, and we're going to take just the first layer. So you can see I'm just grabbing just the first layer right over here. And I'm going to fold that first layer up corner to corner right here. So that's just, we're going to go corner to corner right over here, just like that. You're going to give it a nice crease, just like that. Okay, you might rip the edges just a touch, but it's totally fine. Okay, because it's basically going to be hidden after that. So now that we've folded the first layer up corner to corner, we're going to take the second layer only. The second layer, we're going to fold it up about halfway up on this piece right here, just like that. Give it a nice crease. Okay, then we're going to take just the third layer only. Okay. Just the third layer, fold it up about halfway on this part right here. Give it a nice crease. And last but not least, the fourth layer only to finish it off. And you guessed it, about halfway up on this piece right here. Give it a nice crease. This one takes a bit longer, but as you can see, it has a little bit more of a stylistic design. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. This is the coolest looking one. It takes the longest, but it's still really, really cool. And that's basically it. Those are the methods for folding a napkin for a fancy dinner. And yeah, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. And you can make these, you can put these to good use with your own napkins. And that's it. I got nothing else to say. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.